Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're taking out the old Minnow here. That's what we're gonna call it. Somebody put in the comments Minnow, and I just love the name, so we're taking it out. So I've got it all loaded up right now, the rods, everything, and all I just got to do is pull it over and put it in the water. So hopefully this goes well today. I'm pretty excited to take this out, guys, and check it out. But I'm not gonna bring the big camera. I'm just gonna bring the GoPro because I just want to give it a test run before I bring out the really expensive camera on the boat. So we're going to put the big camera in here, but I'll see you guys on the GoPro, so stay tuned. Okay. Should have wore different shoes. This ain't bad at all. Alright guys, we're in the boat. We're gonna start with a little Texas rigged. Oh God, just lost him. Finally. There we go, guys. First largie of the year. Just a little guy, but I've been searching everywhere for these guys up and down this little marsh, and pulled up in here, and I think this is where they're at. I think they're pushed up. Moving in here. Got him. Right in the corner of the mouth, exactly how you want to hook them. Another one, there we go, now we're finding them. Little dinks, I know, but there is some big ones in here, so just bear with me, boys. Fish. There we go, got him. It's a better one of the day. Yeah. Drop the poles on the old Minnow. That's a chunker, man. Sheesh. Look at that guy. Look at the belly on him. A little chunker, man. Look at that. Yeah. Definitely munching. Look at that, nice bass. Beautiful. They're tucked up in here. Trying to spawn. See you later, Jerry. There he goes. Woo! Look at that. Another one. Yeah. Got him. Oh, that was cool. Oh, I lost him right at the boat. Oh, man. Oh, dang it. You guys, that was awesome. He literally, I watched him, roll on that. I watched it come up, and then all of a sudden, wham, he nailed it. He was a little guy, I'm not gonna lie, but that was really cool to watch him hit that. That was super cool. I mean, he smoked it. I didn't even have to do anything. It looked like he was like laying, like there's this grass here, and it kind of is kind of like almost like a cut bank essentially, and he like came off of it to grab it. So they might be tight to the bank, I don't know. Man, he was awfully tight. Holy cow. You guys seen that. Just seen a bass cruising. There he is. Got him. Yep, what'd I tell you? Seen him cruising. Threw out in front of him. Bang, bang. Oh, he's colored really cool. Look at that guy. Look at the lines on him. Dang. He's got a really good line on him. Nice looking fish. I just seen him cruising through there. He's cruising down the shoreline. There we go. Heck yeah. Take it. Cranberry marsh fishing, I'll tell you. Boy, did I miss it. I'll tell you what, guys. I really missed fishing the cranberry marshes. Good fish, though. Heck yeah, man. They're in here. They're just roaming, too. They're not, like, real specific. They seem to be tighter to the bank, but just kind of roaming around. I just happened to see them, and, you know, threw out in front of them. When I threw out in front of them, I just kept popping it. Like, I would just hop it. I didn't reel up much at all. I just kind of popped it in that one area, and all of a sudden, bam, 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 and he took off with it. So, heck yeah. Hey. Dang. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 painters right there swimming. There's a fish. Got him. There we go. That's a little better one. It is too. Oh. Trying to get out of this. I don't get in the water here. Heck yeah. Might be the better one of the day. Look at that guy. It's a little chunker. For sure, look at that. Heck yeah. I'm telling you, now they're heating up in here. They're just roaming around in the middle. Found a good school of them. Yes, that's awesome. See you later, buddy. Lost my worm, but you know what? It was worth it. God. Alright guys, so quick, let me show you what I'm using so far. And I'll go over this at the end of the video as well. Just got a little 1/4 ounce weight on here. Which you probably don't need a 1/4 ounce in this because it's so calm back here. You could go weightless, which I always prefer to go weightless, but since I already have it tied on. And then I've just got a 4/0 wide gap hook. Little Gary Yamamoto Senko. It's got the green pumpkin with purple and green flake, which is usually seems to be the money out here all the time. So like I said, this place isn't very big. It's just a small cranberry marsh, and it wasn't hard. It took me about an hour to find these fish. So I tried some spots where I thought I didn't know they'd be pushed up this shallow already, but they're shallow. Glad I went and grabbed another battery and came back through this area, because dang. Got him. That's a squeaker. Just a little squeaker right through the roof. Well, he ain't crazy big, but it's a fish, right? He's just a tiny guy, but whatever. I'll take it. I'll catch him. Why the hell not? He hit it before. Nice set. It seems like they're pretty aggressive today because every time I've been hit and then casted back to them, they hit it again. So that's always cool. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the day for it. I've got some other things I gotta get done today, and then but otherwise it wasn't too bad, honestly. I didn't have a lot of confidence after this morning not catching anything. That's how it was the last 2 days. I haven't caught much of anything in the morning, so I'm going to get back to the little landing here and pull the boat out, and then I will see you guys on the big camera, and I'll kind of talk about what I was using today, and then kind of how I found these fish, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're back at the truck. Got the boat finally pulled over the thing. Thing's a little heavier than I anticipated, but we're done fishing for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. That was something that I've really been wanting to do, is kind of build out a john boat to fish these little cranberry marshes, because you can't get a boat on them, and like a regular size boat. So I've really wanted to get back to fishing the cranberry marshes, especially if I only have a few hours to fish in the morning or evening. It's nice to come out here and be able to toss and grab some, catch some fish. Today, they weren't super huge, but we caught a decent amount of them, and they were kind of schooled up shallower than I thought. But on to the setup that we had for today. So today I was using the ALX Icos Buzz 7. It's a 7-foot medium power fast action rod, 7 1-to-1 Abu Garcia reel with some, I think, like 10 or 11 pound fluorocarbon, just Texas rigged with a 1/4 ounce and 4/0 flipping, or 4/0 offset hook. So there you guys have it. That was my setup for today. The only reason I was tossing that is because I know Senko works really well out here. Yesterday I used a similar setup, but you guys seen that from the other video. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe for a rod and reel giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. We're at like 2,300 and some as of right now, me seeing the count, which is really awesome, and thank you guys for all your support. Like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and keep fishing hard.